Good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Meshy or Meshy AI to create the 3D model. How to do that? So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Please, you can correct me if I'm wrong how to pronounce this, Meshy AI or Meshy AI, but in this video, I might pronounce it as Meshy AI. And here, I prefer to access this Meshy AI from my Google Chrome in my PC to get more spacious view. And as you can see that this AI will help you to create the 3D modeling from the image, text, and also create the animation. And don't forget to do the login first with your email. And as you can see, this is the credits left in my own account. But actually for the new user, they will give you 100 credits. And if you would like to create the or transform your prompt into the 3D model, then you can simply click this. And as you can see, there are several features too. 3D text to 3D, image to 3D, 3D to video, and text to image. And this is the look when I choose this 3 text to 3D. And here I ask for the ChatGPT to get me the example of the prompt. For example, I have put the prompt into this section and you can simply choose this model. So I click this text to 3D because this is or this section will help you to transform the image into the 3D model. And as you can see, the prompt is has the limitation until 100 characters. And after that, I choose the Meshy 5 for the AI model. And I choose this CC by 4.0 and click generate. And after that, the creation will be show here or the generated 3D will be show here. And I choose this one and you can simply click this generate texture. So I click this yes and I click confirm. So for each to generate this prompt into this model, so it will take you 10 credits. And while choosing this model, so it will also reduce again 10 credits. So the credits left is 80 credits. And after I choose this one and click yes and confirm, so the another result will show here guys. So you can hold with your mouse and as you can see, you can view this lipstick design 360 from top to the bottom, left to the right in any angle. And even you can start to zoom in the detail. For example, it should be the lipstick lid. Oh no, it's the body of the lipstick itself. And for example, I would like to see the shiny of this lipstick. And if you would like to download it, then you can start to upgrade it into the pro version. And as you can see that this also give you the discount of this package, not only for the monthly package, but also yearly or annually package. So if you are interested, then you can continue to subscribe and do the payment. But if you would like to see the creations or the example of this Meshy AI, for example, I click this, and as you can see, we can see the every single detail and rotate it in every single side, very detailed, and you can also zoom in. Isn't that amazing, right? And you can start to download it and choose the format. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Meshy AI to create your project in 3D model. And if you have any requests, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.